Hello, my name is Theodore and I make a paper plan today, and you can see it goes, he's fly 40 meters and he's good in fly, and I'm going to show you this now. It goes up and down, and you can see it's so good paper plan. I'm going to show you next time how to do it now. You will need one paper. Okay, after you do this, you have to fold this here down. Here. And open it and do the same here. And you can see this is like that now. You're going to fold this down. Like this. Next, you're going to let this end go here and sit him here up. Just like this. You're gonna fold it that way, and you're gonna fold this here. So this goes that way. Okay. Now you're gonna fold this here down. Here. And here. And then it's like this. Okay. Now, you're gonna fold this here down. And you're gonna do it the same way here. Then it's like this. Okay, now we're gonna fold this up. And make a crease. Then it's like this. Okay. Now we're gonna fold this end here down and make a crease. And you go the same way here. Get down. And make a crease. Now it's like this. Now I'm gonna fold here up. Like here. Then it's like this. Okay? And you're gonna do the same way here. Then it's like this. Now you're gonna open it. And you see it's like the other one. Now I'm gonna show you how it works. My name is Theo, and another video I am going to make a paper plan. Now we're gonna do this. I'm in. Now you see. Let's go back to. I'm here. And it's got 14 letters. I make this. And you're going to see another video. I make a paper plan. And you see, this is good paper plan. One more time. Goodbye. See you guys.